What's up, guys? It's Migs with Market Open. It's Monday, so you know what that means. We got to do our Mentorship Monday session today. And today I wanted to talk about something that I do every single night after the market closes. Doesn't really matter when, it's just as long as the market closes, and it helps you get in a little bit more screen time. And it also kind of helps you back test a lot of the strategies that you have or have built out for yourself. So it helps you out with your strategies. It makes sure that your patterns are still working. Makes sure that your risk to reward is also the right for the current market conditions. So something that I do every single night, I basically just consider it homework. I do this and then I do my nightly scans. So what I do is I go through my watch list that I made that morning of, and I go candle by candle and I see where I would have gotten in, what pattern it was, if it would have reached my target, would I get out, would I stay in, or what would happen. So what I do is when you click over candle by candle, hopefully by the time that the market closes, you won't remember exactly what kind of happened. So it'll be a little bit of a newer experience, and then you'll be able to see whether you would have gotten in that trade again or not. So as you can see today, I took a big loss on ALKS, but if I scroll through and I still would have made the same exact decision, then that kind of confirms that yes, that is the correct place that you should have gotten in. Could you have maybe gotten a little bit of profit? Yes, but following your rules that you currently have, was that the correct decision for you to make? So let me go down the list on my watch list, and just you guys can hear me go through this thought process of what I do basically every single night. So HUM was gapping up this morning. So is there, let's see here, it is gapping up here, 305. So we'll go ahead and scroll candle by candle up. I would need to go long over VWAP and the 9. Nope, 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 nope. I would have to wait for some sort of pullback. Nope. No. I don't really like any of these. It's 950. You could possibly get in here, 288, with a stop here at 287.58. So you got a dollar stop. So let's just say that I was to get in long right there at 288.50. So I would need to get at least, let's see here, 289.50, 290.50. So my target would probably be up here. So boom, in. $290, and then I would move my stop. I would take half out if it came back over to my entry spot at 288.50. Almost hit target. I would take out half right there, and then if it goes down to 287.50, wow, that is some crap right there. It almost hit the target, and I would have gotten kicked out right there. So good entry. Possibly would have taken profit, not really quite sure there, or at least a partial. So HUM could have done that, and then I believe it sold off for the rest of the day. So my only entry really would have been right here, stop right here. All right, and then I look over the 5-minute chart. I don't really see anything, because if it gaps up, I'm going long. If it gaps down, I'm going short. So yeah, my only entry would have been there. Possibly would have gotten my profit, or at least a partial out of it, and then stop loss would have been break even. So HUM, that was a possible entry. Now SNX, gap down. Let's see here. All right, so next, probably looking at the 100 mark. I don't know. This one's completely new to me too, because I didn't trade SNX at all, so I don't really know exactly what it looks like. You could possibly get in here short under 99, 99.44. The stop up here over 100. So it'd be like, it's a $1.50 stop or so. Nope, not breaking. Nope, it's headed higher. Okay, so right here, you're looking to break 100. The stop would be up here. That's too far. I don't know if I would do that. Well, let's just say hypothetically that we did get in. So 100 shares short right there. Stop is almost $4. So you're looking at about 30 shares. So boom, triggered. You're looking to get down to 97, going sideways for a while. Let's see here. Nope. Keep going. You can break this thing under 100. Okay, from there I probably would have switched over to the 5-minute chart. Okay, so stop is up here. Keep going sideways. Okay, so from here, I might add stop up here. I would probably add another 20 shares if we break over under 100 again, and then put my stop up here at 102. That means we're looking to get down to 98 for 1-to-1, and then 96 to take a partial. So coming back up over 102. If you go back up over 102, then we need to start reconsidering. Nope, we're good. We're going to break under 100. Okay, so boom, right there. Okay, so we're still good under 100. We're at 98. Okay, so if it comes back up over 100, we would take half off. So we would take 25 shares off. Still going sideways. I would probably take a partial somewhere around here and just stop loss break even, because this thing is starting to, it's 12:30, and I would have gotten kicked right there. So probably would have made maybe $50 on it or something like that. That thing would have taken me all day. So let's see here, it would have kicked me out right there, and it would have kept going lower and just went sideways. So there really wasn't much movement on SNX. MNOV was a gap up. So we're looking for long here. Let's see here. Okay, so right off the bat it sells off. If this was actually a gap down, I would actually probably short it right here under 1261. Stop would be 1273. Boom, triggered. That would have worked out perfectly, but I probably would not have done that since it's a gap up. Yeah, that would have worked real well actually. Easily have gotten 2, 3, 4-to-1 on that. So that keeps selling off. All right, MNOV. Is there any longs? So for me to go long, I would have to be over the 9 over VWAP. So let me just keep on scrolling through. No. Nope, don't like any of it. It's already 12. Okay. ALKS. Okay, so ALKS. Gap down. Here, let's go candle by candle. 850. 20. Okay, so right off the bat, ALKS sells off. Under 46, I would take it. Stop is 45 cents, so 250 shares. Next candle triggers. So we're looking for 80 cents on this at least. So down here it almost hit my 2-to-1. Boom, next candle would have kicked me. So would have gotten kicked right here. I actually remember what ended up happening. It came down. I remember this spike because I was down a lot of money this morning. So yeah, I'll probably sell half. That's what I ended up doing. Next candle. So if it fails again, probably short it right here under 46.20. Stop is up here at 47.27. Nope. So you see how it keeps selling off? So as long as it makes a lower high, this is your point right here where if it goes under this, it should go. So under 46.20. So bouncing again, bounce. Let's see here. Nope. Okay, so it went higher. As soon as it went higher, I should have left it alone. And this morning, I don't think I did. I took one more I believe I took one more short on it. So this right here, it just looks like a mess. I never should have messed with the probably the second or third trade. Actually, wait, no, I take that back. Hold on, let's look at the 5 minute here. So right here is the, to me, this is the point of no return for this stock. So if I short it here, probably stop up here at 47.30. Boom. So okay, so we're triggered there, and we're looking for what, like 80 cents or so. So 46.20. Yeah, so yeah, about $1 and some change. So looking for 45.20 at least. So we need to be down at lows, 45.20, and then we need another dollar for us to get our 2-to-1. So there, it hit my 1-to-1. So if it comes back over 46.25, I should have gotten half out. So half out, and then my stop is still up here at 47. What was it? 47.25. Boom! I would have gotten kicked right there in this candle, 46.25. So I would have lost on ALKS on that one regardless, which I believe, which I did. I'm pretty sure I did take that trade and I actually did lose, but I think this is the candle that actually got me out because I doubled down on this. Forgot about that. It went up to VWAP, got rejected. It got triggered right here, and then it actually kicked me right out. So ALKS, that was my second trade on this thing, so I should have just left it alone, which I took one more trade on it. But to me, none of this really looks good right here, so maybe down here somewhere, 46.50. I don't even remember what the last trade I took was, so 46.50, 47.50 or something. Probably be my stop. 46.50, 45.50, 44.50. Yeah, I guess maybe that's the only trade that would have worked. So if I shorted it here, 46.50, stop up here, which is just kind of arbitrary $1 stop. 46.50, 45.50, 44.50. So I could have gotten 2-to-1 on that, but what time was that at? That was around 11. Yeah, and I didn't really quite trust ALKS either, so I didn't really want to take any more trades on this thing. So sold off and it went sideways for the rest of the day. Would have chopped me out. Alright, so we got UA. UA was entity of Fitbit. I think they own Fitbit or something like that. They got hacked. Let's see here. Alright, right here. Alright, let's start this one. Come on. Oh, oops. Let's go back. Alright, so we're going up. Thinking probably right here. Second candle, 13.93 would be my entry on that. Stop near at the highs. Thinking 14 right here. 14, stop right here at 14.16. Triggered right there. I need 30 cents out of this, so I need this thing down at 13.70. Let's see here, it didn't hit my 1-to-1. 1-to-1 would be down here at 13.85. 13.85, 1-to-1. If it comes back over 14, I take half out. So take half out. Stop is still up here at 14.15. Kind of went sideways for a little bit. It's 10.05, so I would move over to the 5-minute chart. So we're here at 10.05. So I'd probably move my stop up here, right here at 14.06. And would have gotten kicked right there. UA would have gotten kicked out as well. So those are all the things on my watch list. Typically, I will do the biggest loser and biggest gainer, or yeah. So ALKS, obviously we already went over that, and stocks that are going up on the day. HUM, we already did that one as well. So that will help you get extra screen time. Hopefully, it helps you guys of how I just went through the candle per candle, like candle by candle, each one, and see what you would do in each specific situation. But it does help that if you do it later on in the day, because you're not going to remember exactly where you got in, where you got out, or maybe do it later on in the night, just to help you get your strategy down, get more screen time, and just kind of make sure that everything works or is according to your plan. And if something needs to be tweaked, maybe your risk to reward ratio, maybe a certain pattern is not working. That's why it's very critical that you write down these things, your rules, you catalog basically your trades to know if they're working or not, and this will help you get better. Just step by step, you'll eventually start getting really good at this sort of stuff, and you will just see everything kind of coming together, and you'll be able to throw out different things that are not working during certain times, and you'll be able to add certain patterns that you're noticing that are working. Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. If you guys are new to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and it'll give you updates every time I upload a new video. Also, make sure to join our free Facebook group. You guys will get access to my free daily watch list every single day. Lastly, if you guys are interested in getting a discount on a funded account, make sure to check out the link in the description below. All the accounts come with training, mentorship, and buying power. Alright, I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.